53rd Street. This is the Brooklyn-bound F train. The next stop is Fifth Avenue, 53rd Street. 53rd Street. Transfer to the next. The Brooklyn-bound F train. The next stop is 47 50th Street, Rockefeller Avenue. This is a Brooklyn-bound F Fulton train. The next stop is 42nd Street, Sidewalk. This is Brooklyn-bound F Fulton train. The next stop is 2nd Street, Sidewalk. This is Brooklyn-bound F Fulton train. The next stop is 23rd Street.
At 2 and 2 o'clock in the morning?
This is Brooklyn-bound F local train. The next stop is 14th Street. This is a Brooklyn-bound F local train. The next stop is West 4th Street, Washington Square.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is a Manhattan-bound F train. This is a Manhattan-bound F train. The next stop is Lexington Avenue, 53rd Street. This is a Brooklyn-bound F train. Next stop is Fifth Avenue, 53rd Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is Fifth Avenue, 53rd Street. Transfer is available to the E train. This is the Brooklyn-bound F train. The next stop is 47 50th Street, Rockefeller Center. This is a Brooklyn-bound F local train. The next stop is 42nd Street, Bryant Park. This is Brooklyn-bound F local train. The next stop is 34th Street, Town Square. This is Brooklyn-bound F local train. The next stop is 23rd Street. This is a Brooklyn-bound F local train. The next stop is 14th Street. This is a Brooklyn-bound F local train. This is a Brooklyn-bound F local train. The next stop is Broadway, Lafayette Street. This is a Brooklyn-bound F local train. The next stop is 2nd Avenue. This is a Brooklyn-bound F local train. The next stop is Delancey Street-Essex Street.